Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by defining what you must save: score, lives, level, and inventory. Create variables and lists now. Make names explicit so you avoid confusion later. Once done, choose a storage approach. Cloud variables if your project will be shared and users sign in. Otherwise, serialize values into one list entry for temporary local saving. Make sure to reserve a delimiter character like to join fields. This simplifies encoding and decoding. When you read the data back, you now convert live values into a single string for storage. First, build the string, join score, lives, level with a chosen delimiter, then append inventory joined with commas. This step avoids multiple cloud slots and keeps saves atomic. Once composed, set the cloud variable to that string or replace the first item in a save list for local projects. Make sure to add a short visual cue, like saving, so users know the process ran, because cloud updates can take a second. You finish by implementing the load routine. Read the cloud variable or save list entry, then split at the delimiter and parse each segment back into score, lives, level. Next, split the inventory substring by commas and populate the inventory list. Once loaded, refresh the UI so values display correctly. If parsing fails or a field is missing, reset those values to safe defaults and show an error message. This simple fallback prevents corrupted saves from breaking gameplay and helps you debug quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.